Welcome to Isocrats.app channel, a platform where you learn, measure, and grow. On this video, we will show a quick and simple way to solve the question.
Okay, we have seen two lines intersecting or three lines intersecting with each other so far. Does we ever thought of a line and a circle? If a line and a circle exist together, how it will be? And what are the results that we will get when we consider circle and a line are? We have a circle and a line. Okay, in the first figure, the line PQ, the straight line PQ doesn't touch the circle. If it doesn't touch the circle, then there will be no common point between them, and therefore there is no point of intersection between them. And if we consider the case where the line PQ intersects the circle at a particular point, that is, they are drawn outside the circle such that the line PQ intersects the circle at a point. So what happened to it? Okay, the line PQ intersects the circle at a single point A. And this line PQ is called the tangent to the circle A. And the point of intersection is 1. Okay, what will be the case when we draw the line PQ inside the circle? So if we draw the line PQ inside, that is, if it is inscribed in a circle, then the point of intersections will be 2, and they are namely A and B respectively. And this type of line PQ is called a secant to the circle, and the point of intersections will be 2. Okay. Have you ever heard of Siva's theorem? Okay, and the statement is as follows. Let ABC be a triangle and let D, E, F be points on the lines BC, CA, AB respectively. Then the civilians AD, BE, CF are concurrent if and only if BD by DC into CE by EA into AF by FB is equal to 1, where the lengths are directed. And this result also holds for the reciprocal of each of the ratios, as the reciprocal of 1 is 1. So what they have given in the statement is that we have a triangle ABC, and let D, E, F be the points on the lines BC, CA and AB respectively. So there are civilians from A to BC, from C to AB, and similarly from B to AE. So these civilians are said to be concurrent if and only if BD by DC into CE by EA into AF by FB is equal to 1. That is, their proportionals, the multiplication of these proportionals are 1. Actually, what is concurrent? Concurrent is nothing but the lines meet in a single point. In this case, the line AD, CF, BE all meet in this particular point. So these civilians are concurrent if and only if the proportionals, the multiplication of proportionals is equal to 1. And if and only if condition says that if these civilians are concurrent, then the proportionals, multiplication of proportionals are 1. If suppose these multiplication proportionals are 1, then the civilians are concurrent. This is what if and only if condition tells us. The lengths are given as in the problem. Okay, and this reciprocal is also applicable if we these proportionals are applicable if we reciprocal the proportions. That is, DC by BD into EA by CE into FP divided by AF is equal to 1. Since reciprocal of 1 is obviously 1, therefore it will be as concurrent if the reciprocal is also it is also equal to 1. That is, the product of the proportionals is 1 even if we reciprocal the ratios. and therefore the Sevians are concurrent. Next theorem is Menelaus theorem. The Menelaus theorem says that a necessary and sufficient condition for points P, Q, R on the respective sides BC, CA, AB or their extension of a triangle ABC to be collinear is that BP by PC into CQ by QA into AR by RB is equal to -1, where all segments in the formula are directed segments. Okay, directed segments means that the direction of the segment will be given to it. Okay, and the theorem says that the necessary and sufficient condition, that is if and only if condition, okay, for the points P, Q, R, these 3 points of the sides BC, CA and AB, and the triangle we have taken as ABC. So it can be on the same triangle or extended line of one particular side. It can be on the extension side or as well as on this triangle. So it doesn't matter whether it is an extension or on the triangle. So these points P, Q, R are said to be collinear, that is they lie in the same straight line. If BP by PC into CQ by QA, that is BP by PC into CQ by QA, AR by RB is equal to -1. If the product of these proportions are equal to -1, then we say that P, Q, R lie on a straight line, that is they are collinear. If suppose they are collinear, then this product of their proportions will be equal to -1.